Caramels.com claims to be a dream destination for plant lovers, offering everything from lush houseplants to impressive floor and outdoor greenery, all at surprisingly low prices and backed by a tempting 15-day plant guarantee. But is this just another beautifully packaged trap? In this review, I dig deep into the truth behind the site, and what I found raises serious doubts. The domain might look established, but its history suggests otherwise. There are signs it's been recycled or connected to suspicious activity. Claims of being organic and sustainable sound great until you realize there's zero evidence provided to support them. Then there's the business address listed in Waterloo, Ontario, which doesn't seem to tie back to any legitimate physical location, just another red flag. No working phone number, no clear way to reach real customer support, and a complete lack of verified customer reviews, despite those polished 5-star ratings shown on the website. Even more alarming, there's no trace of caramels.com on Trustpilot, Google reviews, or any major social media platforms, making it nearly impossible to trust the brand's reputation. While everything might look picture perfect on the surface, the deeper you look, the more unsettling it becomes.